Hi, I'm injury attorney Anna Burr. Oftentimes, people come with a car accident that they were involved in where the damage to their car doesn't look to be much. And people are surprised by that because they have injuries, nagging, ongoing injuries, when there wasn't a whole lot of property damage. The car just looks like it was dented and that was it. And so when that happens, when it looks like there's not a whole lot going on with your car damage-wise, it's even more important to make sure that you have your vehicle repaired. The insurance company for the driver who hit you will pay for the repairs, but here's the way this works. First, they're going to send out an insurance adjuster, and that adjuster is just going to do a visual inspection of your car. They're going to take a look at it. They're going to write down the damage that they can see at that time. And oftentimes, that's not a lot. They'll determine that what you need is a new bumper cover, and they'll issue you a check for $1,000, and they'll send you on your way. And you'll think, okay, well, that was all the damage to my car. I'm not going to worry about getting it fixed. Here's the problem with doing that. That visual inspection will not show if there's damage underneath the bumper. Sometimes you could have a bent frame. You could have more serious damage to the bumper. You could have something else going on with the trunk or the rear of your car that you can't see with just a visual inspection. And so now you're asking, but how is that $1,000 check going to cover the repairs for all of that damage? Well, the good news is it doesn't have to. So what you'll do is you'll take that check and your car to an auto shop, a body shop that you are comfortable with. In Colorado, you get to choose any body shop you want to take it to. Provide them with that information, authorize them to do the repairs, and then what the body shop will do is they'll get started, meaning they'll remove that bumper cover, they'll remove the pieces that need to be replaced, and from there they'll be able to see if there was more damage going on with your car. They send that new damage information to the insurance company to get more money to pay for the repairs. And this benefits you in a couple of ways. First, you get your car fixed. Second, that initial estimate showing only minor damage, scratches and scrapes to the back of your car, we'll know that's not accurate. We'll know that the damage to your car was much more involved than how it appeared to be at the time. And that gives us evidence to help counter any kind of insurance defense argument that looks like, well, your car wasn't that hurt, and so how could you be that hurt? Because insurance adjusters like to equate physical damage to your person with damage to your vehicle. We know it's false. We know that it's not based in any reality, but it's what they do all the time. And so if we can show that there was more serious damage to your car through the simple act of just having it fixed, it's going to make things much easier for your injury claim later on. Thank you.